days ago, I decided to ask my followers a question. What should I draw? I wanted to relinquish a bit more control and draw something new, inspired by a random prompt. And then I waited. When I checked my phone, I had some great answers come through, and I narrowed it down to 3. The first was a prompt by RTJ17. They suggested half man, half statue. The second was from Attisperth. They suggested drawing a person who was too big for the house they were in. The third and final drawing prompt was from JP Umbino, who suggested a garden. Now this might sound simple, but I never really draw plants and nature, so I thought this would be a really good one to push me out of my comfort zone. So, which one was I going to pick? RTJ17's prompt, half man, half statue. I also realised that I've been using blue, pink and purple a lot in my artwork recently. So I had also asked each of them for a colour that I had to incorporate into the piece that wasn't blue, pink or purple. And RTJ17 had chosen the colour yellow. So I played around with possible palettes and hues and unsurprisingly, thought it went very well with blue and purple. Half man, half statue made me think of how it's like we're all big lumps of rock when we're born, and life chips away at that rock slowly over the years, and that's what makes us into the person we become. That's what makes us unique. And in so many ways we have the power to do that ourselves. We have the tools in our hands to carve our own identities, and so I wanted the image to depict that. I think this piece overall is depicting the idea that we're constantly building and making, and who we are is an ever-changing work of art. We are the makers, we are the ones with the tools in our hands. It's kind of a nod to transformation and growth. A little bit of struggle in there, like it's hard work becoming who you are and learning who you're meant to be. I hope you guys like it.